we're seeing the benefits of the no-till. Now that means we're using a herbicide instead of a tillage pass, which is a non-organic practice. And it's a challenge because do we want to use the herbicide? No, we don't want to use the herbicide. But the challenge is you're always asking the question, okay, so which is the lesser of two damages? Do we till because we know what's going to happen, or do we use the herbicide because we know what's going to happen? And I think the answer in each case, no matter the direction you go, is you know the downside, and we're going to do everything we can to mitigate that downside. If you have to till, well, we're going to cover that soil as soon as we're done. We did that. We tilled. We tried to get a stand, and we still the rains, the times, it couldn't have been worse. And so, but then you did the expensive thing and said, but we know we need a living root and we need cover. And so you made the choice to make an additional expense and plant sun hemp to do just that, because we know there are negative effects from tillage. And so that's what we do. But it's the same with the herbicide. So if we choose to go with the no-till method because we know the benefits from not disturbing the soil, then we know we need to mitigate the damages of those herbicides, which we're doing. We're doing that through our microbial teas that we know reduce half-life of things like that and bolster plant health. We're doing that through foliar nutrition that allows us to add some key trace elements that may be tied up through some of those herbicides. And we're using biological controls to offset the use of fungicides because we know that can upset the balance in the soils as well. So just like anything, it's management. Mitigate the downside. And we've done that and seen that. And that's why we're advocating for the proper use of tools, for the augmentation and the mitigation of tools, not tying our hands behind our back. Hey, thanks for tuning in and watching our content. We really appreciate you and appreciate you watching our videos. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. Also, look down in the description down below for our website, link to our Regen Agronomy podcast, and our phone numbers and email, etc. Reach out to us, please, if you want to know more about the content you see here in the videos.